Hey guys, welcome to my quirky kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you a very easy apple filling recipe. For this recipe, you will need 2 apples, 1 lemon, half a cup of powdered sugar, and some yellow edible food coloring. Peel and cut both the apples and put them in a microwave safe bowl. Microwave these apples on high for 2 minutes. Give it a mix and microwave again for 2 minutes. Now, with any kind of masher or beater that is available with you, mash the apples really well. Mash the apples till they become really mushy like so. Now add powdered sugar and lemon juice to the mix and stir again till it's properly combined. Once it's properly mixed, microwave again on high for 2 minutes. You can see that the sugar has completely dissolved, but I'll microwave it again for some more time because we want to achieve a thick mixture. Now I'll be adding food coloring to the mix. This step is completely optional. I'm adding it because I want the filling to have a very nice and intense color. Now give it a mix and pop it in the microwave for another 2 minutes. The liquid in the filling needs to evaporate completely, so keep microwaving it till you get a really nice and thick mixture. And there you go, your delicious and easy apple filling is ready. You can use this filling in cakes, apple pies, apple turnovers, and many more different desserts. Do give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. I hope you liked the recipe. Please follow my channel for many such interesting and quirky recipes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my quirky kitchen. Thank you. Bye bye.